Today, we will decide who will be our next cover app. I wish you all the best, and may the best app win.
Good luck! You too!
Is my wig still on? Are you ready, Galaxy AI?
Time to shine!
Cue the music! Smile for the 50 megapixel camera!
Smile!
Crystal clear! One more time, palm selfie! Happy but still avant-garde. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. 1, 2, 3, jump!
Gallery app, let's give them a little boost.
Aye, aye, Captain. Nothing a little AI can't fix. Insta-worthy quality.
Now it's time for a decision. Who will become Galaxy's next cover app?
So nervous.
Who do you think will win?
I think you.
No, I think you.
I think everybody deserves it.
All of you apps are beautiful, but there can only be one cover app, and the winner is...
Me? I won? I can't believe it.
Yeah, me either. I mean, congratulations, email.
Galaxy AI is here.
Guys, you won't believe it. Everything is in there.
Wow! It looks and feels just like it.
You should try it. Are we there yet?
Almost there.
Where are we even going?
If you're curious too, then tune in to our next episode.
Are we there yet?